Comfort Temps mini splits are intelligent, ductless heat pumps that deliver efficient, room and area comfort by moving heat in and out rather than generating it. Each system comes with a 5-year warranty and consists of a compact indoor unit paired with a whisper-quiet outdoor condenser. Choose from 2 mini-split options. The Elite Series, built for everyday efficiency and dependable comfort, and the Pro Series, designed for higher performance in demanding climates and maximum energy savings. Whichever you choose, your mini-split fits seamlessly into your life. Control it through the app, smart speakers, or remote, and even set it to turn on automatically before you get home. Behind the scenes, smart inverter technology continually adjusts output for consistent temperatures. This gives you quiet in-room operation, lower energy use, and 4 modes, plus a series of other helpful features and functions, all in one solution. Shipped from our US-based warehouses, each system arrives as a complete kit, pre-charged with eco-friendly refrigerant. Professional refrigerant balancing is recommended. While some installation steps are DIY friendly, Comfort Temps offers accessible installation options to help ensure accurate setup and long-term performance. Comfort Temps, the easy way to bring comfort home.